Welcome back to our channel. Are you a teen dreaming of becoming a millionaire? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to share 5 powerful tips that can set you on the path to financial success. Stick around because tip number 5 is a game changer. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to achieve financial freedom. Tip number 1. Start early with saving and investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Open a savings account and begin putting away a portion of your allowance, part-time job earnings, or any other income. Ever heard of compound interest? It's when your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Consider using apps like Robinhood or Acorns, which make it easy to start investing with just a few dollars. Imagine this. You start investing just $100 a month at the age of 15. By the time you're 65, thanks to the power of compound interest, you could have over $1 million. It might seem far off now, but the sooner you start, the better. Did you know that the average millionaire starts investing in their teens? What are you waiting for? Starting can be as simple as opening a brokerage account. Research low-cost index funds, which spread your money across a wide range of companies, reducing your risk. Look into ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which are also a great way to start with small amounts of money. The key is consistency and making it a habit to invest regularly, no matter how small the amount. Tip number 2. Learn financial literacy. Understanding how money works is crucial for building wealth. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial experts on social media. The more you know about budgeting, saving, investing, and avoiding debt, the better prepared you'll be. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey are great places to start. Websites like Investopedia offer free resources to help you learn the basics. And don't underestimate the value of podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance. Did you know that many millionaires credit their financial success to the knowledge they gained from self-education? Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, is known for spending up to 80% of his day reading. Set a goal to read at least one personal finance book a month. Subscribe to financial newsletters and stay updated on economic trends. Participate in online forums like Reddit's r/personal finance to learn from real-life experiences. And most importantly, start applying what you learn. Create a budget, track your expenses, and set financial goals. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Tip number 3. Start a side hustle. This is one of the best ways to boost your income while you're still young. Whether it's mowing lawns, babysitting, tutoring, or starting an online business, a side hustle can help you earn extra cash and develop valuable skills. Think about what you're good at or enjoy doing and find a way to monetize it. Websites like Etsy, Fiverr, and eBay are great platforms to sell your products or services. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you can create custom logos for small businesses. If you love crafting, sell handmade jewelry or art online. Ever wondered how your favorite YouTuber or teen entrepreneur started their journey? Many of them began with simple side hustles. Take the story of Mosiah Bridges, who started his own bow tie business at the age of 9. Or consider Alina Morse, who founded Zolly Candy, a sugar-free candy company, at just 7 years old. These are just a few examples of young entrepreneurs who turned their hobbies into profitable businesses. Brainstorm ideas based on your interests, and don't be afraid to start small. The experience you gain will be invaluable. Tip number 4. Network and find mentors. Building a network of like-minded individuals and seeking advice from those who have achieved what you aspire to can significantly impact your success. Attend events, join clubs, and participate in online forums related to your interests. Mentors can provide guidance, share valuable experiences, and help you avoid common pitfalls. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire and ask for their advice. Platforms like LinkedIn can be a great place to start connecting with professionals in your desired field. Imagine having a successful entrepreneur guiding you on your path to becoming a millionaire. Sounds amazing, right? Start by identifying people in your network or community who you admire. Reach out with a polite and concise message explaining who you are, why you're reaching out, and what you hope to learn from them. Be specific about your goals and express genuine interest in their work. Remember, mentorship is a two-way street. Think about what you can offer in return, such as helping with projects or sharing fresh perspectives. Tip number 5. Stay consistent and be patient. Building wealth takes time and effort. It's important to set realistic goals, stay disciplined, and be patient. There will be ups and downs, but consistency is key. Create a plan, stick to it, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, most millionaires didn't achieve their wealth overnight. It took years of hard work and dedication. Keep track of your progress and celebrate small milestones along the way. Have you ever heard the saying, "Rome wasn't built in a day"? The same goes for building your fortune. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," set a goal like, "I want to save $5,000 by the end of the year." Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable steps. Use tools like budgeting apps to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. And always remember, persistence is key. Every small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. And there you have it, 5 tips for teens to become millionaires. Which tip are you going to start with? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for